Hello guys, this is Fix here. Well, been a while, the last time I upload a video. Well, this one today will be a different one. So this is a Ford Mondeo 2015 state version. I just have this car about for 3 weeks now, 2 weeks and a half. And I just have an issue with this car. So he develops one funny noise when you are inside the cabin. So when the car is taken over, you can hear a humming sound on a cabin, and it comes from the passenger side. So let's say from there, or it's between the rear and the front left passenger side. So the noise is this one. So I will start the car. So see if you can hear. Here is not much noise, but if you go here on the back, yeah, the carpet's a little bit dirty, sorry guys. So you can hear that humming. It's like a vibrating sound. Right, so it turns out, I think it is, but I will have a look now. So you got the fuel pipes go under the car on the left side. For some reason the bracket holds the pipes. It just come loose, so the pipes come off from the bracket, and then it's vibrating on that curve when it goes up to the tank. So I will show you now on a video what is the issue. So you have to take a tray out, or just take some bolts, some nuts I mean, and you can drop a little bit, then you can see the pipes. Just clip back and the noise should go away. So I will show you now. Right, so here is the issue. You see this pipe vibrating? You can see it vibrating badly. See, even it's moving. So this is the pipe makes the noise. You just have to get away to fix this now to start the vibration. This is where the noise comes. Easy fix. So I will repair now and show the after. And the final part. Well, it's only in the same clip, doesn't matter. So now it's quiet. Only what you can hear now is the engine sound. If you go here on the back, before and after. That's the difference. So I will show you what I did. So if I go under here, this is what I did. Okay, so if you put a zip tie only there, this will stay under the cover, and don't tie it too much. This is just to snug, so that plastic cover from the fuel pipe, it stays solid in there, yeah, it doesn't move or vibrates. And that's it. If you do this, that annoying vibration will go away. So I hope this helped the people around. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Enjoy the sun if it's outside, some sun. If it's rain, stay at home and drink some coffee and relax. I see you soon. Take care.